May 27th, 2017. Calling Judge Deborah Eyler.
You have reached the voicemail of the Court Judicial Assistant for the Office of the Honorable Chief Judge Deborah Eyler, Division 502 of the Pueblo Combined Court. We are unable to take your call because we are either in court or assisting another customer. Please leave your name, case number, and phone number, and your call will be returned as soon as possible. Thank you and have a good day.
Please leave a message at the tone. When finished, you may hang up or press pound for additional options.
Hi, Judge Deborah Eyler. This is Dr. Heidi Wodiuk, and I'm calling for your assistance on Joseph Paul Wodiuk, as he did in 2013 when you organized and conspired illegal holds on me on the mental holds to try to establish an alibi of mental illness on me, which didn't work. But, however, on the contrary, Joe Wodiuk has been fabricating numerous reports, false reporting against me to family, friends, the community. I have many of those reports also to law enforcement and to the courts, and he has not talked to me in 4 years. I have it all recorded. This man, my father, Joe Wodiuk, has been very paranoid, acting in a schizophrenic state. Mind you, I do have a master's degree in psychology, and I do have a doctorate in medicine. And I'm letting you know that Joe Wodiuk is acting in a paranoid, schizophrenic state. I will be notifying his doctors and his insurance and letting them know, as false reporting on somebody without even talking to them in that length of time, and then making all these deranged statements about me when he's never even sat down with me, he hasn't seen me or anything. And you're aiding and conspiring this. So I'm questioning your own mental health, Deborah Eyler. So that's why I'm calling you. And I want to know how exactly to file that mental hold, as I filed one prior and you guys refused to adhere to it or even hear it, or even provide me a restraining order from Joe Wodiuk false reporting. I also have today that you've returned all my filings, refusing me my right to be heard, to have the restraining order amended for CMHIP so that way I can comply in the criminal case 15 CR 1287 to trespass their property to accommodate the competency evaluation, the malicious competency that DU Forensics Psychology Department said is I don't meet criteria for restoration nor a hold, and that I'm definitely not incompetent, as we all know. I mean, come on. And I want to know why you are continuing to send back my filings when it's my constitutional right to ask for the restraining order to be amended so I don't get arrested for trying to comply with another malicious competency evaluation by CMHIP, and why you send it back to me. And you're intervening in Magistrate Dorothy Radokovich's cases without her approval and overstepping her authority. In this case, 17M654, and my legal entitled right to be protected by the equal protection of the laws. So if you can please give me a call back, 719-281-5748. This is no threat whatsoever. It is recorded to prove my conduct, as everything I'm instructing and notifying you of is all within my civil rights. So I'm asking you to stop committing treason, stop tainting and obstructing justice, and stop tampering with my cases. I have the right for all these violations to be filed into the case, and for you, tampering is a federal violation. You can be personally sued for this. That is the law. It's a violation of your immunity. And this is no threat. It's just a notice, because it looks like and appears that you are suffering from some serious mental illness by your actions, your conduct in the courts, your heinous...
To send this message, press pound or hang up. To review, press 1. To re-record, message sent. You have reached